Hello guys, my name is Sohail. You are watching my channel as a refrigeration in YouTube. In today's video, I want to tell you about demo of all button, all function of Lloyd inverter AC remote control. So friends, let's start the video. But before that, I want to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that the notification of my latest video reaches you first. If you have any problem with your fridge, AC, washing machine, or you want to talk to me on that topic or need any solution, and then comment me in the comment box. And if you use Instagram, Raza Refrigeration 777 is my Instagram ID, then you can talk to me by following me. I will be happy to help you. This is the power button which turns the AC on and off. It has a 2 button for temperature, with the help which we can move the temperature up and down. Right now the temperature is showing 24-degree temperature, the remote. As we press the button, the temperature will increase 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. As you increase 24-degree temperature, the temperature of your room will increase and the cooling of the AC will start decreasing. And we press the down button, and as soon as you go below 24-degree temperature, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, and the temperature of your room will decrease and the cooling of AC will start increasing. And you do not feel too cold and you get enough coolness, then you use your AC 26-degree temperature. And if you feel cold in 26-degree temperature, then you use your AC 27-degree temperature. The next button is vertical swing. It is used to move the front swing flap of AC up and down. It works in 2 ways, manual and automatic swing. As we can use vertical swing very easily, and keep pressing the vertical swing flap button continuously, then the vertical will on auto and there will be a swing show in the remote. Next button is horizontal swing. Horizontal swing AC work from the inside. It works from right to left. Next button is turbo. You can use the button for fast cooling. If you are coming for outside and you want to cool your room quickly, then you can use the turbo button. Next button is fan. You can use the fan button for the speed of the air coming from the AC. Fan speed button has 4 speed: low, medium, high and automatic. Now the most important button is the mode button. Mode button work in 5 ways: cool, dry, fan, heat and auto. First mode, cool mode. In cool mode you can use all button of the remote. In this mode your AC will work according to you and your AC will be cooling as you went. Second mode, dry mode. Dry mode is used in the rainy season. During the rainy season, the weather around us is very humid and sweat a lot. Use dry mode to beat the humidity. Third mode is fan mode. Fan mode is used for fan. It does not do AC cooling, only fan run. For example, if you do not have a fan in your room and you want to use a fan, then you can use fan mode. Next, heat mode. If you have purchased hot and cool, then use heat mode will work. You can use heat mode in very cold. This will slowly start heating your room. And if you need check if your AC support heat mode or not, we'll tell you about that in the next button. Fifth mode is auto mode. In auto mode your AC start working in auto. In this mode you cannot set the temperature. AC set the temperature on it on. The next button is my mode. When wireless remote handset in any mode, auto, cool, dry, heat, press the my button once. Again press hold my mode button for some time till one icon start blinking. Press my mode button to save setting in wireless remote handset and come out from configuration mode. Whenever you want to turn on your save mode, you can use my mode pressing my mode button. My mode save parameter will be erase in AAA battery replace or remove from wireless remote handset. The next button is aux heat. With the aux heat button, you can find out whether your AC heat mode and not heat. If you hear a beep by pressing the aux heat button, then your AC support heat mode. And AC does not make a beep sound, then your AC heat mode does not support heat. Next button is sleep button. By pressing the sleep button, our AC increase the temperature by 2 degree temperature centigrade every hours. The cold won't disturb our sleep. The next button is blow button. Blow button is very important our AC. During AC service, we see that a lot of dust gets accumulated in the coil of our AC, due to which it turns into fungus and start smelling. Clean dust and stink. To do this, we should use blow button if our AC used a lot. Then we should use the blow button every month. If we press the blow button, then after running off the AC, the blower of our AC continue for 5 minutes. Then the AC turn off completely. Next button is timer. With the timer button, we can turn off the AC according to the time. Very easy to use timer button. As soon as you press the timer button will set automatically and the time will turn on. It depends on you how many hours of time you set. The next button is sense. With that the sense button, we can see the current room temperature. After pressing the sense button, the room temperature will appear in your room. Next button is health. By pressing this button, the fan speed of the blower also work at low speed so that the direct wind does not affect our body. Next button is light. If your AC display light is on while sleeping at night and it bothering, then you can turn off AC display light with the light button. Hope you like this video of mine. Then please like my video.